Welcome to our Worldview channel. Thank you for your valuable time. Green tea has a long history, with records of its cultivation and uses dating back to ancient China. According to legend, green tea was first discovered in 2737 BC by Chinese Emperor Shennong, who is also known as the Divine Farmer. He is said to have tested the properties of various plants and herbs by consuming them himself and discovered the benefits of green tea while experimenting with different types of tea. Green tea was initially consumed primarily by the Chinese nobility and elite, but over time it spread to the general population and became a staple beverage in Chinese culture. It was also introduced to other parts of Asia, such as Japan, where it became an important part of their culture as well. During the Tang dynasty, 618–907 AD, green tea was consumed as a beverage, as well as used for medicinal purposes. It was also during this time that tea bricks were used as a form of currency, and tea was also exported from China to other parts of the world. Green tea was introduced to Europe by Dutch and Portuguese traders in the 16th century, and later to the Americas. Today, green tea is grown and consumed around the world, with China, Japan, and India being the largest producers. Some of the health benefits of drinking green tea include weight loss. Green tea contains compounds that help boost metabolism and increase fat burning, which can lead to weight loss. Cardiovascular health. Antioxidants in green tea can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Cancer prevention. Antioxidants in green tea help protect cells from damage, reducing the risk of cancer. Brain function. The caffeine and L-theanine in green tea can help improve brain function, including concentration and alertness. Oral health. Green tea reduces the risk of tooth decay and gum disease. It should be noted that more research is needed to confirm the health benefits of green tea and to understand the optimal amount and frequency of consumption. Green tea is grown in seasonal stages, with different tasks performed at each stage. Spring. In the spring, the new tea leaves begin to sprout and grow rapidly. This is the time when the tea bushes are pruned and shaped. Early summer. As the weather gets warmer, the tea leaves continue to grow and mature. This is the time when the first flush of tea leaves are harvested, which are considered the highest quality and are used to make premium teas like Gyokuro and Sencha. Late summer. As the weather gets even warmer, the tea leaves become larger and more mature. This is the time when the second flush of tea leaves is harvested, which are used to make teas like Bancha and Hojicha. Fall. In the fall, the tea leaves begin to slow down in their growth and the bushes enter a dormant stage. This is the time when the final flush of tea leaves are harvested, which are used to make teas like Kukacha and Kamaricha. Winter. The tea bushes are dormant during the winter and no harvesting takes place. This is the time when the tea bushes are prepared for the next growing season. Note: these are general stages and the actual timing of each stage may vary depending on the location and the type of green tea is grown. Importing and exporting countries. Green tea is a widely traded commodity and is exported by many countries around the world. Some of the largest green tea exporting countries include China, Japan, Sri Lanka, India, and Kenya. These countries have a long history of green tea cultivation and have established a reputation for producing high-quality green tea. On the other hand, some countries also import green tea from other countries. Some of the major green tea importing countries include the United States, Germany, the United Kingdom, Russia, and Canada. These countries have a high demand for green tea, and import from different countries to cater to the need and also for variety in their market. To make green tea, you will need green tea leaves, hot water, ideally around 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Instructions: heat the water until it reaches the appropriate temperature. Place the green tea leaves in a teapot or infuser. Pour the hot water over the leaves and let steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the leaves or infuser and serve. Note that steeping time and temperature may vary depending on the type of green tea you are using. Some green teas, such as Japanese gyokuro, may require a lower temperature and longer steeping time. Adjust the steeping time and temperature to your preference.